once you have created your lesson, in order to share that, you have to follow specific steps so that other people can see your lesson. So if you go to your Resources tab, you'll see a list of all of the lessons that you have created right here. And if you go to find the lesson that you would like to share and then click on it, there's a share button right here. But that's not all. You actually have to make sure that it's set to be privately, or only people I send the link to. It cannot be set to be not shared, because no one will be able to see it at that point. So make sure to set it privately. And then if you notice, once you've set it to go privately, you can actually go ahead and copy this link here, this link URL. And that's where someone else will be able to view your link. So if I can go to copy, and then that's what you go ahead and paste into the discussion board, and then click on done when you're complete. So that's how to share your lesson so that other people can view it.